Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Author Dear Spice. Thank you for subscribing, and if you're enjoying these videos, kindly subscribe as well. Yeah, so today I'll be teaching you one more technique using the law of attraction by which you can do your manifestation. Um, yeah, there's some kind of background noise, so kindly ignore that. Yeah, so what today I'm going to explain is that uh, if you want your manifestation if you want to enhance your manifestation, you need to calm yourself down. Now, there are different ways by which you can calm yourself down. Many people resort to like yoga or anything that suits you. You can calm yourself down. So when you are in the calmest state of mind, if you are stating your intentions, then those manifestations are happen at a very faster rate. So today, let me just explain to you on a step-by-step way on how I go about doing it whenever I want to approach this technique. So let me just call it as the calm technique. Okay. So the step one of this is that, as usual, you find a quiet place in your house, a place where you rest, or where there is no noise, no disturbance, or anything, and you just go to the place, and you can lie down. You can lie down, and then you can breathe. So what happens, like, you just take a deep breath, like you breathe in and you breathe out once. Even if you do it once, right, you that distraction that is all around you, it all disappears. So you do that deep breathing, breathe in and breathe out multiple times, like in your lying down position. You do multiple times till you have completely calmed yourself. Like, you can make use of the breathing techniques, or you can just breathe through one nose, something like that. You improvise your own method in which you can calm yourself down. You calm yourself down from all possible distractions that are happening around you, which no disturbance, no thought. Like, try what I generally do is I just focus on my breathing. So breathe in and breathe out multiple times till you reach a point of nothingness, where you see through. If you're in that space, there is nothingness. Which I mean to say is that there is no disturbance and there is no single thought, no distraction. So you have calmed yourself down completely. So in that state, in that sphere of nothingness, you got to state your intentions to the universe. Okay, as though you have already received it. Okay, so in that quiet and calm state of mind, you state your intentions. Thank you for dash, whatever. So you do that. You keep saying that kind of thank you for the manifestation multiple times in that space of nothingness, where there is no disturbance, there is nothing, no thought that is depriving you. You are fully calm down. You are in that space of nothingness. So, at that particular point of time, if you are stating your request to the universe, then it is very powerful. Remember, your thoughts are powerful, and your thoughts transform into objects. So, uh, you got to do this, as long as you are comfortable with it. And once you're fine stating your intentions, and you can come out of your meditative mood, and then go about your life. So you can do this multiple times, like calming yourself technique to speeden up your manifestation, and then you can see your results for yourself. The more calm you are, the more calm your thoughts are, the more is your focus towards your manifestation. So you can do this multiple times, calm yourself, focus on your breathing, and state your intentions. When you have reached the state where nothing is going to disturb you, so at that point of time, you state your request. Thank you for dash. With that single thought is enough to attract your manifestation towards you. So this is the technique that should be easy to do. You just need some time from your schedule to do it. And yeah, thank you very much for subscribing to my videos, and good luck in your manifestation. Thank you very much.